Sutton, west coast of Nanaimo. It's January at the end of. The project's going well on Village on 3rd. This is the Hillcrest building and location. It's got 3 floors, 3 decks, hardy plank and exteriors going up right now. We're getting very close to being completed. They're just under $600,000. You can see it on the site, villageon3rd.com, or buynanaimo.com is my website. If you'd like any information on this project, please call me at 250-616-0998. So it's kind of cool. It's a hardy plank application. It's got a 30-year warranty apparently. It's got a wood look to it, and as well as a taupe to kind of get a two-tone look. So it's got 3 decks on the back side, 3 decks on the front side, 5 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms per unit. Fantastic opportunity for investment. Approximately $800 to $1,200 a room for students right now, and the university is within walking distance. If you'd like any information on this project, please give me a call at 250-616-0998. Again, it's Michael McKillican, Sutton, west coast of Nanaimo. As you can see, it's at drywall stage right now. These should be approximately March, April for completion. Beautiful doors, windows. This is going to be kind of a dining area, kitchen, family room, a staircase leading upstairs to the 2nd and 3rd floor, as well as a powder bathroom off to the right-hand side of the camera, and a storage. Very cool, modern look. As you go up on the flights, there's going to be laundry on the 3rd floor with 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. Middle floor is going to have 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, as well as a laundry facility. And then this is kind of your general meeting area. So if you're going to do an investment property, you can have 4 students, approximately $800 to $1,200 a month currently per room. Great investment within walking distance of the university. You can literally see it off the 3rd floor. It's got beautiful mountain views. So this is where we are. This is the closest and the closest to being finished unit. But again, they'll be completed by, I'm thinking, March, April of this year. Thank you. As you can see, the guys are doing concrete work right now. These are going to be the beautiful patio areas off the back side of the units. Parking behind the camera. They're all staggered, so they'll have some privacy. This is where we're at with Village on 3rd as far as the concrete works goes. Hillcrest Avenue right now. You can see what stage we're at with construction. A lot of work going on as far as civil, the sidewalks, exterior of the building's getting completed right now. We've had a few days of no rain, so it's a fantastic opportunity to do that. We're going to be looking at mid-March as far as completion goes. If anybody would like any information on the Hillcrest building or anything else that we've got coming up on phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Village on 3rd, you're welcome to it. We also have a website. You can look at it at buynanaimo.com or Village on 3rd, or you can give me a call at 250-616-0998. It's Michael McKillican, Sutton, west coast of Nanaimo. That we do have coming up, people talk about affordability in Nanaimo, and I think that's a relevant thing, as our developers have thought that out. A lot of these price points will be based on economy, obviously, cost of build, but we are going to scale down the finishings and everything else so that we can provide rentals and investments for people that want to rent out, as the university is less than 5 blocks or 4 blocks away from here. Phase 2 is going to be commercial property down below and 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom units up above. Again, the scaled finishings will be down so that they're more affordable for people to purchase. and that we're trying to focus in on investors so that they do have the opportunity to rent these houses or these the condos out and have it affordable for students and working class people in the south end of Nanaimo. So we're very excited about that. Phase 3, 4, and 5, again, it will be scaled down for affordability, for rent, but people can scale them up if they're interested in buying a 2-bedroom unit for themselves or 1-bedroom unit for yourselves. Well, it's an important question to ask folks. If you're looking at a project or a home, who built it? Well, Westmark Construction is building our development, phase 1, the Hillcrest Ave. They build beautiful commercial properties. They do residential as well. We can provide a long list of agents and addresses that can reflect what they do. The developer particularly picked Westmark for the finishings. The construction is by far, bar none, in Nanaimo, in my opinion. I deal with a lot of construction and a lot of buildings and new development, and Westmark does a fantastic job. So if you'd like any information on Westmark, we also have the ability to have one of the general contractors and managers speak to you, but speak fairly highly of them. They're doing a great job on this project. They're on time. There has been no issues as far as the construction goes so far. We're very impressed. The developer's impressed. The realtors are impressed. We're looking forward to phase 1 and moving on to several other phases. Thank you. Michael McKillican on the VIU campus in one of the parking lots, obviously. Thousands of kids go here from Iran, China, Alberta, across Eastern Canada. You know, everybody comes here now. They've actually got prerequisites now that go to other universities. Our project, Village on 3rd, the Hillcrest building right now, phase 1, is literally 2 blocks away from this. So I mean, I don't want to film all the students that are here, but this place is just a mass of people. There's beautiful aquatic centers, ball fields, science, biological, a whole bunch of things that are happening in this university. It's fantastic, and it is full of students that need housing, and the housing is atrocious here. A lot of basement suites that are not up to code and they're disastrous. The one that we've got on Hillcrest right now has got 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Each bedroom has a bathroom. It's great for students. They'd be looking at between $800 and $1,200 a month per room, which is amazing, and they would not have a problem with paying that, if not more, for a safe, beautiful environment. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pan the camera right now. You probably can see the top of our development from this parking lot, ironically. But again, you don't have to take public transportation, which it is here. The bus routes and everything else are right in front of our units and our phases, versus walking, which is literally a 5-minute walk, which is fantastic for students. Anyway, this is the University of Vancouver Island, and I just wanted people to have an idea of exactly what the proximity is to our development back and forth from Vancouver Island. Thank you.